Hi. So you must be wondering, what am I doing today? What am I up to? Nothing much. I was just trying to, set up my financial management and try to manage something out of my income. I suddenly realized that financial management is a very important topic for every woman. Why? Because as much we women shy away from the topic of finance, we have always been relying on the other people in our family or the men in our family, like our fathers, spouses, brothers, or sons, to take charge of our financial management. We women need it the most. Let me tell you why. Women have many more career breaks than men do. So women take career breaks for marriage, for childbirth, they take for upbringing the children. So at various stages in life, women take career breaks. The second reason why women should know financial management is because by research, women have a larger life expectancy. So they live for a longer period after retirement than usually men do. So when they are going to live longer, they are the people who should make sure that they have enough money that they can use after retirement, so that they are financially secure even after retirement. This takes me to the third reason. A financially independent woman is more confident and more free. She can live life with a lot of confidence because there is a kind of security behind her back that yes, I have this kind of a saving, investment, or kind of passive income that I've generated for myself, which will take care of all my needs, desires in life. Last but not the least, the fourth reason why women should have a knowledge of financial management is because women see a lot of income gaps. And what do I mean by income gaps? Because once they stop working and then rejoin a job, for example, they will not be placed for that kind of a salary that they would have if in case they would have continued for that amount of period. That is one. And the second one being, there is a lot of income disparity between men and women. Women at similar positions are not offered as much as salary which men are offered. Let it be hikes, let it be career growth. It is easier for men and a lot more difficult for women. These are the reasons which make it more and more necessary, more and more important for women to be able to be financially literate and plan her financial future well. And if you want to be able to earn your own money, secure your own money, DM me and I will help you launch your own passion-based business.